How to mute words on X and hide specific keywords, hashtags, or usernames from your timeline and notifications. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it. First, open the X app on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, select Settings and Support, then tap Settings and Privacy. From there, open Privacy and Safety, then tap Mute and Block. Now select Muted Words. Here you'll find any words you've already muted and the option to add new ones. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Then enter the word, phrase, hashtag, or username you want to mute on X. After that, choose where you want the mute to apply, such as your timeline, notifications, or both. You can also select how long you'd like the word to remain muted. Once you finish setting your preferences, tap Save. That's it. From now on, posts containing those muted words won't appear in your timeline or notifications, based on the settings you've selected. If this tutorial helped you learn how to mute words on X, mute hashtags on Twitter, or filter unwanted content from your feed, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy X app tutorials.